Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back class 8 in your computer science class. So today I am going to see for loop consists of three parts. The for loop consists of three parts. First part is that first part executed before the execution of the code block. Okay, so it is executed before the execution of the code block, and the second part defines the condition. So the second part defines the condition, and the third part is executed every time after the code has been executed. Okay, so the for loop consists of three parts. So I am going to write a program to print a table of a number using a for loop. So hash include iostream dot h hash include conio dot h, then void main, then here we give clr scr, then int a cin a, then we give variable int c, int p is equals to 0. Here we will not initialize here. We will not initialize the value of c here. Here I have initialized the value of p is equals to 0. Now for bracket, now we start writing the for loop. Now we first give the first part. First part is that we initialize the value here. Okay, now we put a semicolon, and then the second part is the condition part. It means we give the condition here that c is less than 11, and in the third part we give c++, and this part will execute after the code has been executed. Okay, this will executed before the execution of the code block. Now here I am going to open the braces, and now here I am going to give a code. P is equals to a multiplied by c, c out p slash n, then we close the parenthesis, and here we get ch, and then we close the program. So this is the program using a for loop. So suppose if you want to write a table of 4 using this for loop, so you will get 4 through the keyboard, and that 4 will be stored in the variable a. Okay, and the initial value of c is 1. So 4 ones are 4, right? So this value 4 gets stored in this variable p. Now this part will not execute. Now the computer comes to this statement c out p. So here you will get the value 4 on your output screen. Now we come to this part. Now what is this part? This is c++. It means the value will increase by 1. So this 1 becomes 2. Now 4 multiplied by 2, you get 8. Right? This part is executed. Now we come to this part, c out p. Now the value of p is 8. So you will get 8 on your output screen. Now again we come to this part, c++. Now the value will become 3. Right? This part is executed every time after the execution of this code block. Okay, now again here we get 3. 4 3s are 12. This 12 gets stored in this p, so you will get 12. So it will continue until you get 40. Clear? So this is how the for loop works. Now I am going to write a program using for loop. Hash include iostream.h, hash include conio.h, then void main, enter, parenthesis open, then here we give clear screen, int a, c in a, then int c semicolon, then int p is equals to 0, then for bracket, now we give c is equals to 1 semicolon, c, now we give the condition c is less than 11, and then we give c plus plus, now bracket close. Now we give the body of the loop, p is equals to a multiplied by c semicolon, then c out, c out p. Oh sorry, here I've written p, c out, out out, c out p semicolon, then we close the for loop, and then we give get ch, and then we close the program. Now we'll run it. Here I'll give the value, here I have given the value 2, so you can see that this is the value of this is the table of 5.